Welcome to Home When I'm Not.
Come with me to the quiet side of the world.
A journey through what we still have
and what we must protect. Among 800 acres of open parkland, roam the true monarchs of this landscape, the deer. Bradgate is home to two species, the graceful fallow deer with their dappled coats, and the powerful red deer, the largest land mammal in the UK. For centuries, these herds have wandered freely across the land, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the seasons. The males, known as bucks, only grow antlers for a portion of the year, specifically during the breeding season. After the rut, they shed their antlers, and these pollards can be seen on the deer's head where the antlers used to be. With growth starting in the spring and shedding at the end of winter. Each year, the antlers grow larger and more impressive, with new nodes developing. Fallows were first introduced by the Romans, but this population went extinct when the Roman Empire collapsed. Normans then reintroduced them to Britain in the 11th century. The fallows are smaller, more delicate in build. Their coats vary in color, from pale cream to dark brown, and many have distinctive white spots. In the quiet heart of Leicestershire lies a place full of so much meaning, Bradgate Park.
Sometimes get quite a lot around this area as well. Yeah, so if you
In the middle.
take a picture of that
Okay.
map, you sometimes get a lot there as well. Yeah.
Thank
When
you,
it
sir.
tends to be busy on the carriageway like it is now.
Okay. And car park closes at 8:15.
Oh, you're okay. If you're
Is-
in, you can get out. We shut the entrances at 7:15.
Oh, okay, I see.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a nice walk.
Thank you, sir. This place is so pristine. Even the bins are nice. Spread across over 340 hectares. That's 3.4 million square meters of natural beauty. Dear Romans they have for centuries. Their silhouettes caught in morning light, like living echoes of the past. It's Bradgate's landscape is a patchwork of open grassland, ancient oak woods, heathland, and rocky highlands. From low-lying meadows to rugged hilltops, Bradgate's terrain shifts with every step. Beneath your feet lie some of the oldest exposed rocks in England, dating back over 600 million years. Precambrian ridges rise steeply, offering sweeping views, while the River Lynn flows calmly through the valleys, feeding a network of ponds and wetlands. Birdsong threads through open skies, above the footsteps of walkers, the laughter of children, the quiet reverence of those who come to breathe, to remember, and to reconnect with nature. Bradgate is not just a park. It is a living poem, written in root and ruin, in fur and feather, in every soul that finds peace beneath its wide and generous skies. Another testament from nature, and no matter how high your skyscraper may be, you will never come close.
If you're only home when you're not, you are home.
You have to understand how things are up here.
Oh no, do that there, touch them toe, earthquake with it. No, no, do that there, touch them toe, earthquake. Oh no, do that there, touch them toe, earthquake with it. No, no, do that there, touch them toe, earthquake. The red deer is Britain's largest land mammal. Mature stags can weigh over 190 kilograms and grow antlers that span nearly a meter across. Their reddish-brown coats deepen in color during the winter months. Both red and fallow are herbivores, feeding on grass, leaves, and shoots. They are most active during the early morning and late evening, especially during cooler seasons. During autumn, the park becomes the stage for the annual rut. You will only see these deers together during the rutting season. Usually, for the rest of the year, they separate into single-sex groups. Male deer compete for dominance, engaging in dramatic displays and vocalizations. Red stags will bellow loudly and may clash antlers in fights for mating rights. The herds are semi-wild, not confined by fences, yet manage to ensure the population remains healthy. Today, over 500 deer live here year-round, offering visitors a rare chance to observe these majestic creatures in a natural setting. it's time for a history lesson. The land was officially enclosed as a deer park in the year 1241 during the medieval period to provide a controlled environment for hunting by the nobles. The enclosure included banks, ditches, and oak pales to keep deer inside, commoners outside. Over the centuries, owned by powerful families like the Ferrers and the Greys, the park has been continuously stocked with deer, especially red and fallow. Currently, it's a protected land where hunting is banned. I wonder how long Leicester Council will honour this pact and leave this area for the deer to roam. So how did this land become protected? Let me tell you about Charles Bennion. Charles Bennion, sorry if I've pronounced that wrong, was a businessman, manufacturer, Freemason, philanthropist. Born 1857 in Adderley, Shropshire, he travelled the world as a ship's engineer before settling in Leicester to work in shoe manufacturing in the 1880s, long before kinky boots. After saving money and gaining experience, co-founded a shoe manufacturing company which merged with an American shoe machinery company to form the British United Shoe Machinery Company. So it goes without saying, he was very successful. In 1928, he purchased Bradgate Park from the Gray family. He donated it to the people of Leicestershire, ensuring its preservation and trust in perpetuity. Before he passed away, just 3 months after. Now before you comment and say, oh, you missed some of the history, I know. I kept this episode focused on nature. And 100% coverage is not the point of this channel. I'm here to guide you into places so that you can fall back in love with nature. So I have to make sure that when you visit the places I show you, there's more for you to discover. And trust me, read about the 9 Days Queen, read about the Grey family and the Ferrers. There's so much more to be seen here. So it's now 9:30. I've been here for 8.5 hours. I should have come earlier really, but it was my cousin's birthday yesterday, so I didn't wake up very early. But I'm so happy with the footage I've got, and I'm definitely gonna come back here for a second day. Maybe I'll have a drone license by then. Who knows? We'll see. What am I doing? I'm gonna have to get one eventually anyway. If I'm gonna have to pay for it anyway, I might as well pay for it now. Just have my videos just kick off with a bang. So let's see. I'm just lazy to go get the license, to be honest. If I could just buy it in Argos and fly it, then I'd have one tomorrow. But I will look into it. Yeah, that's the big boss. I see you. You know those girls chasing you. Top G. Nice. Gone. Yes. Well, I've been here a very long time. Only £6. You see, it's not like others where you're stuck in the whole night. You just pay contactless. And then the gates let you out. I mean, they should. Yeah, there we go. Oh, nice. Let's go. I'm so hungry. Just a quick message to say thank you to everyone who watches. I'm working so hard here. You can see the improvement every week, and you will continue to see more improvements every week. Thank you so much.